Ever wonder how faceless YouTubers are quietly making $2,000 to $59,000 a month without ever showing their face on camera? These 8 exploding YouTube niches are the untold answer. They're profitable, scalable, and easier to start than you think. Let's dive in. Niche number 1. Explainer videos, new and trending. This is a fairly new style that's gaining traction fast. Take a channel like Bite-Sized Explainer, started just 4 months ago. With only 9 videos, they've already hit 38,000 subscribers and are making around $2,500 per month. Here's a wild card. Callan, a channel that explains everything about Roblox. Just 30 videos, around 6,900 subs, and making $4,500 per month. And then there's the Paint Explainer. 104 videos, 1.4 million subscribers, and an estimated $60,000 per month. Crazy, right? That's the power of curiosity. Why does this niche work? Explainer videos tap into questions people need answered. How does money laundering work? How did every major dictator die? Every computer virus explained in 9 minutes. Your brain wants closure. That's why explainer videos get clicked and watched to the end. I have those tools like 11 Lab in my caption description for you to try out. Niche number 2, software-specific tutorials. This one's a goldmine. Take Chris Notion. He focuses only on the productivity tool Notion. He earns 6 figures a year, not from ads, but by selling Notion templates, booking one-on-one client calls, and hosting courses. When you focus on one software, you become the go-to expert. YouTube starts recommending your content to everyone searching for that tool. This strategy works because you're building authority. You create evergreen, searchable content. You don't need a face, just a screen recording and clear audio. You can use tools like OBS, Loom, or Screen Studio to record. And because software is always updating, you'll never run out of content to make. Niche number 3, stick figure animation videos. This style is so simple yet insanely effective. Stick figure channels like The Blurb, Easy Actually, and Relentless Dude are taking off. Why does this niche work? Stick figures cut the noise. They make storytelling, lessons, and even deep topics easier to follow. Perfect for productivity hacks, self-help advice, life lessons, social skills, and it's faceless. Just write a script, use AI voiceover, animate it, and upload. Clean, focused, and high-performing. Niche number 4, coding news and tutorials. Tech is booming right now, and everyone wants to learn coding. To land a job, build an app, or freelance. Channels like Programming with Mosh have $4.7 million subscribers and pull in around $14,000 per month. These videos are mostly search-driven. How to build a login page, JavaScript crash course, best programming languages for beginners. They're evergreen, so views trickle in for months or years. Plus, coding is always evolving. React updates, GitHub tools, AI plugins, there's always something new to talk about. Monetization is strong too. High RPM from ads, affiliate links to coding platforms, online courses, sponsored tools. If you know even basic coding, this niche can turn into a high income stream. Niche number 5, AI tools and tutorials. AI is everywhere and growing fast. New tools launch every week, from ChatGPT updates to video generators like Veo, Kling, and Runway. Look at a channel like AI Grid. They break down how to use AI tools and earn solid income through affiliate links and tutorials. Here's why this works. AI tools are usually SaaS equals recurring monthly income from affiliate referrals. Constant innovation equals endless content. People love demos. Just test tools on camera, share your thoughts, and you're golden. You don't have to be a genius. Just explain what the tool does, why it matters, how to use it. Pair that with strong keywords, and your channel will grow fast. Niche number 6. True crime. True crime is one of YouTube's most bingeable niches. Take Beyond Evil. They're making $18,000 a month telling real-life crime stories. Why does it work? Because people are obsessed with mystery, justice, tragedy. It's real, emotional, and gripping. When someone watches a 20-minute video all the way through, YouTube pushes it hard. Most channels use voiceovers, news clips, stock footage, simple visuals, no face needed. And because there are thousands of cases worldwide, you'll never run out of content. You can even monetize with merch, podcasts, and sponsors in legal or safety niches. Niche number 7, YouTube growth tactics. Millions of creators are trying to grow, but most don't know how. Enter YouTube growth strategy channels. Take Tube Sensei. With just 82 videos, he has 709,000 subs and makes up to $8,400 a month. By showing creators tools and strategies to grow. How do I get more views? What tools actually help? What are the best growth hacks? They never go out of style. One of the best parts about YouTube is that the platform is always evolving. They're constantly updating features, tools, and even the algorithm itself. That means a video you made last year, like how to get 1,000 subscribers, might be outdated now. But that's actually a good thing, because when things change, it gives you a reason to remake that video with fresh tips for the current year. New title, updated strategy, same topic, but now it's relevant again. And guess what? This keeps your channel sharp, your viewers informed, and your content always fresh. Plus, YouTube loves current updated videos, so your chances of ranking again go way up. Don't be afraid to revisit old content. Sometimes the best growth strategy is simply improving what already worked. And if your advice works, you grow alongside your audience. The best part about this process is that there are no fancy setup, just screen recordings or faceless voiceovers. High binge potential equals better algorithm boost. Teach people how to grow, and you'll grow too. Niche number 8. Why it sucked to be. Hey, let's talk about a weird but powerful YouTube trend. You've probably seen videos like, "It sucks to be a fast food worker in 2025. It sucks to be a billionaire's kid. It sucks to be a YouTuber now." But why do these videos actually work? Let me break it down. 1. They trigger instant curiosity. When someone says, "It sucks to be," your brain goes, "Wait, why? What happened?" That question creates a curiosity gap, and the only way to fill it is to click the video and find out. Check out this channel, Dinzo. This channel focuses more on animals. His most viewed video was why it sucked to be born as a giant anaconda with a massive 6.8 million views. Even I was curious about the video. 2. They promise a story. These videos aren't just opinions. They usually tell stories, show real examples, and make you feel something, like surprise, frustration, or empathy. And on YouTube, emotion equals retention. 3. They call out something unspoken. A lot of these videos say what others are thinking but don't say. For example, "It sucks to be a broke college grad in 2025. It sucks to be an influencer with no privacy." These are relatable truths that people want to explore. The secret sauce. At the end of the day, these videos work because they combine a clickable title, emotionally charged storytelling, timely, relatable topics. And YouTube loves that mix. This niche has zero to no competition. If you can make someone think, "Wow, I never thought about it like that," then you win on YouTube. Whether you're into animation, AI, tutorials, crime, or coding, these niches are scalable, profitable, and perfect for faceless creators. You don't need a big budget. You don't need a big team. Just the right strategy, tools, and consistency. If you're ready to take action, I've linked some of my favorite tools in the caption below, whether it's 11 Labs for voice narration, Kling AI for video generation, or tools like CapCut and Canva for editing your content and thumbnails. These are the same tools I use to create my videos. The best part, you can start experimenting with most of them today, even on a budget. So stop waiting, pick your niche, start creating, and if you want me to break down the step-by-step process of building a faceless channel from scratch, drop a comment or hit the like button so I know you're ready. I'll see you in the next one.